Hello students, I am Pratigna Patil. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics Infinity Goals. Today's question is based on concept of algebra. So let us start. In this question we have G is an abelian group and AB belongs to G such that order A is equal to 5 and order B is equal to 7. Then we have to find product A into B raised to 14 is equal to how much. Then we have four options. Option 1 is A inverse B, option 2 is A into B inverse, option 3 is A inverse and option 4 is B inverse. To find the solution, we have already two conditions which are given in our question, that is order A equal to 5 and order B equal to 7. That is, we already know that one concept is if order A is equal to n, then A raised to n is equal to identity. Therefore, if order A equal to 5, then we have A raised to 5 is equal to identity. Denote this equation as equation number 1. Similarly, order B equal to 7, then that implies B raised to 7 is equal to identity. Denote this equation as equation number 2. But we have to find the value of AB raised to 14. This AB raised to 14 can be written as A raised to 14 into B raised to 14. By simplification, we can write it as A raised to 5 raised to 3 into A raised to minus 1, which is nothing but this is A raised to 15 and this is A raised to minus 1, that is A raised to 15 minus 1 is A raised to 14. Similarly, B can be written as B raised to 7 raised to 2, that is B raised to 14. Then that implies from equation 1, we know that A raised to 5 is equal to identity. Therefore, replace A raised to 5 by E. Similarly, from equation 2, we know that B raised to 7 is equal to identity. Therefore, replace B raised to 7 by identity. Therefore, we get E raised to 3 into A inverse into E raised to 2. E raised to 3 is nothing but E. E raised to 2 is nothing but E because it is an identity element. Therefore, its product is obviously A inverse. Therefore, option 3 is true. That is, this is our option 3, A inverse. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.